Hello my friend. Today we are going to take a look at this eMeet Smartcam C980 Pro with speakers. Yup, that's right, a webcam with two built-in speakers. Let's unbox it, plug it in, and test it. Our full impression essay will be at the end of the video. Big thank you to eMeet for giving us this opportunity to try out their product. Write in the comments what webcam are you currently using. Let's see which one is the most popular. Anyway, let's not drag this out and let's see what's in the package and what it looks like in real life. Right now, this eMeet webcam can be purchased for $77. So let's get on it. Thank you for choosing eMeet. And here are also the contents of the package. A manual and looks like a warranty card. I don't know about you, but we all look at the manual when something is not working, but it can come really handy for someone. And here's the eMeet Smartcam itself. It's really big, surprisingly big. But you have to remember that there are two speaker drivers inside, so it makes sense. There's also a pouch in the package, and that should be all. The pouch included for storage or transportation will be very useful to protect the webcam lens from scratching during the trip. Does this webcam also look big to you? Oh, we can also see that it has 1080p or Full HD video quality. Nice. There are two speakers on each side, making this eMeet C980 Pro a 3-in-1 webcam. Set up a conference with just one device. As easy as plug and play. The webcam base also features a built-in tripod screw socket. So the webcam can also be conveniently mounted on any photo or video tripod for ease of use, for your work conferences or stream on Twitch or YouTube. A very nice bonus is the soft magnetic privacy cover over the lens when you want to protect your privacy. It's easy to start using the camera, because it's plug and play. Plug in the USB cable, open any video call app on your computer, and you're ready to work or stream. Let's also do a quick test against Dell Inspiron 15 laptop stock webcam, in good light and backlight without spotlights. A test picture of an eMeet webcam with the spotlights on, and the other picture of a Dell stock webcam in the same lighting conditions. We can see a significant downgrade in quality, and also the Dell has significantly narrower field of view of the lens. The eMeet is 90 degrees wide. And now the Dell webcam photo with the spotlights off, and the eMeet picture. No plug-and-play picture processing included. Then let's also try the video test in natural light. But to get the result you want from the camera, we recommend downloading the EMEETLINK Software. But it's not as easy to find. It's not under the support section nor under the webcam section. We found it by accident in FAQ section. Hopefully eMeet will put the software download option more prominently displayed on their homepage. Choose the software version you want, download it, and wait until you get it installed, then click finish. As you can see, this is the right time to connect your camera if you haven't already. Once you have added the camera, you have all the options to enhance or ruin the video as you see fit. You can change anti-flicker, brightness, contrast, sharpness, saturation, and white balance. And if you messed it all up, you can safely force restore default settings. There are no limits to how you can use the camera. It can be installed on a laptop, on a personal computer, or on a big TV for more comfort or for gaming with friends. The webcam can also be conveniently rotated to find the best angle or for DIY recording on your desk. Now for a very short speaker test against the HP EliteBook with Bang Olufsen sound. But I still have to try following the manual. Put the wiper blade back in its place and let's go test the result. And boom! Write down in the comments how it looks. Better or worse, because I don't even know. So how was it? I would say very good, not worse than HP laptop. Now a quick video and mic test from our colleague. eMeet versus HP EliteBook webcam. Listen and watch carefully.
Hi, quick microphone test. Check. Check the mic. And low light. Low light test. Check the mic. Mic is okay. Check the mic. Mic is okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hi, quick microphone test. Check. Check the mic. And low light. Low light test. Hi. Quick microphone test. Check. Check the mic. And low light. Low light test. Check the mic. Mic is okay. Check the mic. Mic is okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hopefully you saw and heard this quick test. After a few weeks of use, we can tell you our observations. First of all, we definitely like it that this camera has a wider angle lens, which makes it very easy to use with several people in one place. The super cool thing is the built-in speakers, because very often in office, computers are without speakers. So this is the way to go. 3-in-1, plug and play, and you're ready for conference. We also like the tripod screw socket, and the changeable camera angle, which combined with tripod makes this camera usable in any scenario. And the soft fixed white balance value ensures that the picture is displayed correctly. What we would like to improve? Firstly, to make EMEET software more accessible, even for my grandma. And a super cool thing would be some integrated LED flashlight. Then this webcam would be a 4-in-1 killer. And that seems all. We hope that you enjoyed this adventure. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to write them in the comments. We will try to help. There are a lot more useful products on eMeet website. Take a look. Maybe you'll find something you're looking for. Thanks and see you in another home tech video. Peace.